Hello everyone. Today I have run my algo after a long time. I have made lot of improvements in it. Today I have tried for Sensex since algo is planned like whichever expiry is next day we will go for it, not today's expiry. Uh, Based on that we will get less price also, and also movement also will be good. So here what we are doing, we will enter with one lot. So this is the lot size and these are all remaining data for algo which we are working on. So this is the lot size. We will enter it one lot, and if condition is good we will keep the trade. If condition goes wrong, it has taken conditional exit, and we can see number of trade 1, win is 0, loss 1, since it has made 36 rupees loss. And since first trade we cannot calculate anything, I have given 1 lakh rupees as a capital for this algo. Now next go for next trade. Same again, it has made around 100 rupees loss. Nearly overall loss is 115. Now two trades, two losses. Capital we are adding each trade, how much capital we are having in our account. Based on that, third trade also we went with 2000, near to 2000 rupees loss, overall loss near to 2000, and losses is 3, win trade is 0. Now comes the big one, where in a single trade we made 27,000 rupees profit. You can check each trade in Zerodha. So first we have taken one lot, and we did average two lots again at 388. Again we averaged, and finally we had 23 lots, so 230 shares, and exit happened at 534. So we are at 27,000 profit right now. So just keep going, and so I will go to the middle of the trades. It ran from morning 10:30 till end of 3:30. I have not closed the algo just for making the video. So we can see it is making small losses now. So here it has the big profit which has made it 27,000. After that it is making losses. Only one win trade, remaining all losses. 4 loss, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All are losses. But after that movement started. We have entered with one lot, and we started doing the average, and finally we added 31 lots, and by the end of 31 lots we took out 8,000 rupees profit. Now the total is 29,000. We can see here 23,000 rupees. Before this trade 23,000 rupees PNL is there. Now we have made 29,000 rupees. Maybe slippage is there, so because of that it has changed to 29,665. So now overall profit, uh, number of trades is 11, 2 wins, 9 losses. Let's go for next. Again we had good profit. Okay, one lot, number of lots finally added 31, and now the profit is 6,000. Overall profit is 36,000. And here see, previous one was 29,965. Now 6,000, but here we can see 6,470. That 300 rupees is slippage here. And if we go next, one more profitable trade. Here we have made 9,000 rupees around. Okay, 36 plus 10, if we take 9,500, if we take 45,000 overall profit. Here 13 trades, 4 wins, 9 losses. Go again. Next trade also same profit, and overall we have made 51,000 profit, and 5 wins, 9 losses. And we didn't stop the algo till end of the market. So after that also algo was keep on running. Here we had again a last trade minus 15 in this place. I think in this place when it took entry, ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ. ಛೇ, ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೆ. ಅಲ್ಲ, ಚಾಟ್ ಜಿ ಪಿ ಟಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತು. Okay, in this trade, I think from year to year we have made profits. We can see this 51,000 profit came around 449 rupees exit. So this is the high which has made. But next trade taken entry year. So next trade entry year, and it was keep on going up. So we added a few more lots, but here the loss, suddenly the suddenly trend reversal happened, and we took exit I think near this place. So entry happened at 390. Entry happened at 390. Yeah, near to somewhere here 390, and we can see every trade 391 trade, 397, 400, 401, 403. We are keep on buying 410. We are keep on buying. We are keep on buying 426. Also, we added one more lot, and average is 413. And trailing stop loss also went up to 427. So I is, yeah, I is 430, and suddenly reversal happened, and we had loss of 15,000 rupees, and overall profit is standing around 35,000. That is still fine, not a bad thing. Now one more trade happened after this, and it has made 2,600 loss. Overall profit is standing around 32,800 rupees by end of the day. Awesome trade, and made 32% profit over 1 lakh rupees capital. If we see here, 1 lakh rupees capital started with and ended with 1 lakh 35,000 nearly. If anyone likes it, contact us. Details are in the description.